So here's the lumber kiln. I'm going to take you around. I'm going to take you around slowly around the side here. So from the front to the back there is 4 foot, and then it's a little over a foot there, and then it's a 45-degree angle going up that way. And then a couple of key features in the back here are we've got vents. We've got a vent there, a vent there, and a vent there. And you see right now I've got a drop cord going in it. We'll get to that in just a minute. What these vents do is they slide. They're a little sticky, but they slide. Those vents slide in and out in order for you to change how much airflow is coming in. And then for hinges, I've actually just got this guy. This is some old swing set chain, just bolted up on there. And you can see at the back here, I've got 1, 2, 3 supports. Those are block set in sand, and it's very important to get those level. And you can see I've got 3 on each side and 3 in the middle for a total of 9 blocks that it's set on. And you can see this material here. This is pipe plumbing. So I'm going to pause for a second here, and we are going to lift up. So I've opened up the lid, and I just opened it by hand, and I've just got this board up here that helps me keep everything going. So you can see it's empty at the moment. I've got my bricks there, and then I've got some spacers there that I use, and I'll show you the main components here. So one of the big components here is a fan. That's a bathroom exhaust fan that I have wired up to a cord. And then this piece of wood, I don't know how good we can see it, but this piece of wood right there. So this piece of wood right here is what's known as the plenum. And then it's got a plastic sheet that comes down here. So you can see that plastic sheet. So the idea is that when you've got the wood stacked up here, the fan is blowing wood from behind this cavity here. There's heat up here, and it's blowing air down over the lumber stack, back around through, and it's circulating air. Okay, so then going back to the cord here, I'll try to get you a little better view. So that's in behind the plenum there, and then we come around this way, and I've just got a drop cord come here to to a little timer, and I've just got it set to come on in the morning when the sun comes up, and it goes off when and then what I'll do next is I will load up the lumber kiln with a bit of lumber, and then we'll see how it stacks. So I've got a couple of 8/4 inch white oak boards put in there that I had waiting, and you can see that I sticker stacked them. And then I also put these guys in here so that when I put the bricks on top, they still got a little bit of airflow going over top of them. So here it is with the bricks now on top of the wood. I usually have it a little bit higher than that, so the plastic's a little bit higher, but you can see the way this is going to work is you've got this dead space behind here. You've got the fan. The fan is recirculating air, and then those bricks are keeping everything flat. And then you've got this hollow space in here for the air to circle down through, and then it goes back down under. And then that's the wood put back in the kiln.